Don't tell me to calm down. Don't. Don't. You are not there. You didn't see him fall. You didn't hear him call my name like I was going to save him. Like I was going to fix it. No! I told him. I told him to wait. We're supposed to go together. Cover each other's back. That's the rule. No, that's the rule, always. But he ran ahead of me, thinking I was right behind him, thinking I was going to cover him. I was slow. I hesitated 1 second. That's all it takes, just 1 second. And the one you love turns into a goddamn memory. He was my brother. He was my brother, not by blood, but by end that matters. And now he's gone. Just like everyone else. One by one, I keep losing them. And me, I keep surviving. Why? Why me? Why? And tell me to calm down. Tell me to calm down. That it's just one of the numbers on the list. Brother, no, I won't calm down. Next time, I will take the lead. Next time, I will be